lovely friends, you're most welcome back to my channel, Tia Elegant Natural Beauty and Velocity channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and if you're old, you are super duper welcome, guys. Alright guys, so check below, you see the subscribe button, click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget, please don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Alright guys, so on today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how to get pink lips. Oh my god, are you hiding behind colors of lipstick? Do you have dark lips? Please, if that's your problem, you have come to your final bus stop. So after this video, you are going to know how to get pink lip like this fast, and also how to maintain it thereafter. So you might want to watch this video till the very end so that you will get the full information. I'm gonna be needing for this recipe is sugar. So you can either use brown or white sugar. Thing I'm gonna be needing is honey, guys, and also beetroot. So I'm just gonna go ahead to slice what I'll be needing for this recipe. So the first one is for the scrub, so just add a little sugar just at the top right region of the beetroot, then massage it in. Sugar is also rich in antioxidants that prevent lips from getting damaged from the sun. Sugar contains glycolic acid that conditions the lips and prevents it from environmental toxins. So the next thing I'm going to be preparing now is a natural moisturizer. The enzymes present in honey helps in lightening the color of the lips. Honey also provides the lips with a healthy dose of moisturization. Rose petal nourishment-like look softens and lightens your lips naturally. Together with beetroot, they work as a wonder remedy for discoloration and repair dark patches on the lips. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply. So what I'll be needing first is the scrub. To scrub and exfoliate my lips first of all. While scrubbing, there might be need to add more sugar, so make sure to add more sugar and then continue scrubbing. So guys, I'm done scrubbing. Oh my god, I can literally feel how soft and supple my lips are right now. Like all the dead skin cells are gone, like gone. So guys, I'm through with the first stage, so now to the second stage. I use this to moisturize. Plump and pink beetroot is one of the most inexpensive home remedies to get pink lips naturally. The coloring pigment betanin or galanthine in beets acts as an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory that helps lighten the dark pigmentation of discoloration in your lips and protect the lips from sun damage. So I've finished rinsing off my lips. You can see how pinkish my lips are looking right now. So if you want to have pink lips, then you have to be consistent. You can do this like you can exfoliate once in a week, but the honey, then you apply the second one, honey and beetroot. That one you can be doing it every day, but for exfoliating you can just exfoliate once in a week, because if you keep exfoliating every day, you might it might injure you. So you just exfoliate once in a week, and then the honey and the beetroot should be applied daily or 3 times a week for maximum. So guys, the last thing you're going to be needing for this recipe is petroleum jelly. So use it to moisturize your lips. Well, Vaseline makes for a very fantastic lip balm by creating a barrier that seals in moisture, helping to heal dry, chapped lips. Now you've known how to get pink soft lips, so now I'm gonna be sharing with you a few tips on how to keep your lips permanently pink and soft. Exfoliate your lips before you head to bed at night. Apply a good quality lip balm. Try a homemade lip scrub just like I've just showed you. Make sure to stay hydrated by drinking a lot of water during the day. Lovely friends, hope this video was helpful. Please, if this video was helpful, consider subscribing. See you on my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye.